What if I told you that you don't need an entire weekend, expensive organizers, or a complete closet overhaul to transform your chaotic closet into something functional and organized? What if there's one simple technique that takes 10 minutes and creates a closet where you can actually find what you need? I discovered this method after years of closet frustration, and the speed and effectiveness shocked me. Stay with me, because this will end your closet chaos permanently. Ah, the daily closet struggle. You know that awful feeling every morning when you open your closet and just stare at the chaos? Clothes crammed together so tightly you can't see what you own. Hangers tangled into some kind of unsolvable puzzle. Shirts falling off hangers onto the floor. That one item you're looking for buried somewhere in the back. You waste 10, 15, sometimes 20 minutes just trying to find something to wear. And even when you find it, it's wrinkled from being crushed between other clothes. You think, I need to organize this. But the thought of spending an entire weekend sorting through everything is so overwhelming that you just close the door and live with the chaos. The category clustering method. Here's the method that professionals use, but somehow never explain clearly. Stop organizing by color, by season, or by how much you like something. Organize by category only. All t-shirts together. All button-down shirts together. All pants together. All dresses together. That's it. That's the entire system. And here's why it's so powerful. Your brain thinks in categories. When you're getting dressed, you think, I need a t-shirt, or I need dress pants. You don't think, I need something blue, or I need something from winter. The 10-minute implementation. Here's exactly how I implemented this in 10 minutes. I didn't remove everything from my closet. I didn't buy new organizers. I worked with what I had. I simply regrouped. Minute 1 through 3, I identified my main categories. T-shirts, button-downs, sweaters, pants, dresses. Write them down or just mentally note them. Minute 4 through 7, I went through my closet quickly, pulling each category together. All t-shirts moved to one section. All button-downs moved to another section. I wasn't folding perfectly or color-coding. I was just clustering by type. Why this works when everything else fails. Here's why category clustering succeeds where other organizing systems fail. It's aligned with how your brain actually works. It requires zero maintenance decisions. There's no, should this go here or there? It goes with its category, period. It's visual. You can scan an entire category in seconds. And it's flexible. New clothes just join their category, no system redesign needed. It grows and adapts naturally. Compare this to color-coded organization, which looks beautiful in photos but fails in real life. You're looking for a blue shirt, but you have blue in 4 different color sections because you organized all blues together regardless of type. Now you're searching through multiple sections. Or organizing by season, which requires you to switch your entire closet twice a year. Category clustering requires zero seasonal transitions because you're always working with the same categories. The unexpected benefits. Since implementing category clustering, I've discovered benefits beyond just quick mornings. I actually know what I own now. When all my t-shirts are visible in one section, I can see that I have 15 t-shirts. Before, they were scattered, and I had no idea. This awareness changed my shopping habits. I stopped buying duplicate items because I could actually see what I already had. I've saved hundreds of dollars by not buying redundant clothes, and the psychological benefit is enormous. A functioning closet makes me feel competent and organized. It's one small area of my life that works perfectly every single day. That feeling of, I have this under control, creates momentum that affects other areas. When your closet works, you believe you can make other systems work too. It's proof that organization doesn't require perfection or massive time investments, just smart, simple systems. There you have it. How I organized my closet in under 10 minutes using category clustering. Group by type. Assign each category a permanent home. Maintain the simple system. If this just solved your closet chaos, hit that like button right now. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more stupidly simple solutions. Share this with anyone fighting their closet every morning. Comment if you're doing this today. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay organized, work smart, and enjoy stress-free mornings.